So, good evening, everyone. So, guys, in the previous session, we have discussed more about your application storage or application backup, basically. So, where you are going to take the backup of your application logs, right? So, for that, we have discussed about your S3 bucket, right? We have discussed about your storage gateway. We have discussed about your NFS. We have discussed about WordPress prod, right? Means your application, right? How these things are related to each other, right? And today we are going to see how uh, we can mount the storage, or we can mount your basically S3 bucket to your WordPress server, right? That is your application server by using storage gateway and NFS protocol or network file sharing, right? That is what it's a protocol only, right? Before this, you guys have any doubt? Okay, fine. Guys, listen here very carefully. What I am telling over here is, so my first question from the, because I have uploaded everything, right? So I just wanted to know that whether you guys are going through the videos or not. So why we are preparing S3? Because, right? Why we need S3? Who is going to answer me this?
To store the logs and all, sir.
Very good. For,
Sir, for your application, sir.
yes, for our application, and for what reason, Vishal?
So the new database will be there. So if any problem will occur with the
Hmm.
application, so all the logs will be there.
Hmm.
So to store in a local EC2 instance, it's type to freeze that particular EC2 instance. So it
Hmm.
will forward for the S3 application, sir. Storage, sir.
For a longer period of a time, Vishal. Okay. So if
Correct,
you
sir.
want to keep the logs for a longer period of a time, then only we should go for a S3. Why? Because S3 is a object storage, correct? So that is what you have to answer for a longer period of a time. Very simple and easy. Remember this one. For a long term storage, you should go for object storage. S3 comes under that. Glacier comes under that. Okay. Now, so why we need storage gateway between S3 and application server? Why we need storage gateway between your S3 and application server? Who is going to answer me this? See, guys, I have told you very clearly the answer. These are the interview questions. Okay. So the answer is very simple, that S3 doesn't have AMI. It means it doesn't have any type of a file system. Okay. And WordPress, it's a Linux server. So it is having a file system of ext2, ext3, ext4, XFS, ZFS. Correct? So if you have to take the logs of this application server, which is WordPress server, into this S3 bucket, means you have to mount it, correct? Then
Yes,
only
sir.
you should be able to take the logs. So how you can integrate these two? So for that you need a intermediator. So that is your storage gateway, correct? Right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now and one more thing, both of them has a different file system. Okay, that is what I told you, right? So that you guys have already explained multiple times in the last session. Please go through the last session, guys. So now we need to configure the S3 bucket and storage gateway. So that is our priority. So log into the application WordPress server. Okay, go to EC2 instance. Our instance is not running, so let's turn it on, guys. Okay, copy this IP address, and I think we have already this address in our terminus, correct? Mm. Right, this is the one 18.221.21.177, correct? So let's log into this one, guys. Yeah, Let me know if this font is visible for you or not. Okay. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sudo hyphen I, right? So who am I? Root user. Correct, guys? Now, if you do df hyphen h, right? So in the last session also, I told you that what type of disk you have and partitions you have. Correct? So friends, to watch complete video, please join my channel membership. You can see I have 4 levels of my channel membership. So where you guys are going to get bronze, silver, gold and platinum. So friends, in bronze, you should be able to access 20% of the member only video, and if you go with silver membership, then you should be able to access 40% of the member only video, and if you'll go with gold membership, which is most valuable and value for money, my friends, so where you should be able to access 80% of the member only video. And if you wanted to go with a platinum membership, where you should be able to access 100% of the member only video, plus additional, you should be able to connect with me for career counseling. You can go for the mock interview. I am going to help you for your resume preparation. I'll provide you the roles and responsibility also as per your experience level, right? At the same time, I am going to refer you for the organization also. These are basically 4 level of membership which is available in my channel. So I'll put the link in the description how to join my channel membership, so you can join the membership to watch member only video, guys. Yeah, so guys, I'm ending up the session here only. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again tomorrow for the remaining topics. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.